Uh, Hello, my name is Qinghua Chen. Here's my answers to question 1 in homework 10. The first question is to describe the poison process. The probability message is that the probability of xt equals k is equal to e to the power of minus lambda t multiplied with lambda t to the power k over k step multiply. Its mean is that is lambda t. I feel that it is reasonable because the longer I wait, the larger the expected number of buses. It's what the problem the condition give us the example, and then it's the autocorrelation function. The correlation xt1 t2 equals lambda square t1 t2 plus lambda multiplied with minimum of t1 and t2. It is a function of xt1 and t2, so the process is not stationary. It depends on both t1 and t2 because the longer time interval I wait in the larger number of telephone calls I will receive. So it must be related to T1 and T2. How the probability at the time of T1, T2 are related is dependent on both T1 and T2. Question 2 is the Poisson increments. The probability of yt equals n over dirt is equal to e to the power minus lambda to multiply with lambda to the power n over n step. We can know that the probability of xt2 minus xt1 is equal to k equals e to the power minus lambda multiplied with t2 minus t1 and multiply with lambda t2 minus t1 to the power k over k steps. So we know that the probability of yt equals n over dirt is equal to probability of dirt yt equals n. It is equal to xt plus dirt minus xt is equal to n. So we can get T2 is equal to T plus dirt and T1 is equal to T. Its mean is lambda. It seems that yt represents the average number of events which happen per second or per minute, whatever, just the minimum unit in the interval dirt. That's I think it's reasonable because the mean of yt is a constant. It's a random function in every second or every minute. Every second or every minute, I will receive a telephone call. Their probability is equal to each other. So I think it's reasonable that yt, the mean of yt, is a constant. its autocorrelation function is lambda square when the absolute t1 minus t2 is larger than or equal to dirt, and when absolutely t1 minus t2 is smaller than dirt, the autocorrelation t1 t2 is equal to lambda square plus lambda over dirt minus lambda absolutely t1 minus t2 over dirt square.